You're not alone if you want to make money with ChatGPT on YouTube. Many people seek ways to monetize their online presence, and YouTube is one of the most popular platforms. While making a full-time income from YouTube is difficult, it is possible with the right strategies and dedication. In this video, we'll explore tips on making money with ChatGPT on YouTube and earning $5,000 or more monthly. Choose a profitable niche. One of the most crucial aspects of earning money on YouTube is picking a viable niche. Your YouTube channel will focus on a niche, which is a particular subject or theme. It's crucial to pick a niche with significant demand for the material. Building a devoted audience and effectively monetizing your YouTube channel without a lucrative niche is challenging. Start by determining your hobbies and interests to choose a lucrative niche. Search for subjects that interest you and about which you are knowledgeable. As a result, it will be simpler to develop content that appeals to your audience. Look at popular YouTube channels in your areas of interest to see what topics they cover if you need clarification on your niche. Discover the need for content in your niche by doing some research. Look at how many people are using YouTube and other search engines to look for material related to your niche. Research the competition to see what other channels are producing material in your niche. Search for market gaps that your specialized knowledge and viewpoint can address. It's crucial to take your niche's potential for revenue into account. Depending on the amount of advertising money available and the likelihood of sponsorships and item sales, some niches are more profitable than others. Search for markets with a strong chance of making money in markets you are enthusiastic about and can provide interesting content. A successful YouTube channel's cornerstone is picking a lucrative specialty. Consider the revenue potential of your selected sector while researching the need for content in your niche and identifying your passions and interests. You may gain a devoted audience and effectively monetize your YouTube channel by choosing a lucrative niche and creating interesting material. Create high-quality videos. Any YouTube channel's success depends on its ability to produce videos of a high caliber. That is the main strategy for drawing in and keeping people, which will help you gradually increase your audience. Here are some pointers for producing top-notch YouTube videos. Purchase a good camera and microphone first. Spending a lot of money is unnecessary, but it's crucial to have equipment that can record clear and detailed audio and video. Look for 1080 or 4K HD cameras and background noise-canceling microphones. Lighting is necessary to produce videos of the highest caliber. If you can, use natural light. Otherwise, if you're filming inside, consider investing in lighting equipment. The quality of your films can significantly improve with proper lighting, which can also influence the mood and tone of your content. To produce high-quality videos, sound design is also essential. Ensure your audio is understandable and clear, and think about adding background music or sound effects to improve the quality of your content. Also, you can improve the audio quality and eliminate background noise using video editing tools. Make a storyboard or script and schedule your content in advance. By doing so, you'll be able to keep on course and ensure your films are entertaining and educational. Feel free to try various formats and writing styles to see what suits your audience and niche the best. Building a successful YouTube channel requires producing videos of a high caliber. Invest in top-notch gear, employ good lighting and sound design, arrange your content in advance, and try several formats and presentation methods. With the help of these suggestions, you can produce interesting and educational films that will draw in viewers, keep them watching, and help you gradually expand your audience. Optimize your videos for search. Growing your YouTube channel requires you to optimize your videos for search. It makes it simpler for potential viewers to find your material by assisting with ranking your videos higher in search results. These are some pointers for video search optimization. Choose a keyword-rich title for your video. Pick a term that appropriately describes the subject matter of your film and is popular on YouTube. To find popular keywords in your niche, you can utilize programs like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy. Provide your movies relevant tags and descriptions. As a result, YouTube will better understand your video's content and appear higher in search results. Use words and expressions to precisely describe the material in your movie and place your target keyword in the description. Make interesting video thumbnails. Make sure your thumbnail is appealing and pertinent, because it will be the first thing people see when they find your video. Utilize text and visuals to draw viewers in and accurately reflect the information in your film. Spread the word about your film on social media and other websites. Ask your followers to like, comment, and share your video as you share it with them. Your video will appear higher in search results the more views and comments it receives. Growing your YouTube channel requires you to optimize your videos for search. Promote your video on social media and other platforms, and use titles, tags, and descriptions that are keyword-rich and pertinent. With the help of these suggestions, you can improve your YouTube exposure and draw more subscribers to your channel. Monetize your videos. Making money on YouTube requires you to monetize your videos. You can start making money from your material once your channel is developed and has a sizable following and many views. Here are some strategies for making money off your films. To start, you can sign up for the YouTube Partner Program and make your films monetizable. This enables YouTube to insert adverts into your videos, and you get a cut of the money these commercials bring in for advertisers. Your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours over the previous 12 months to be eligible for the program. Use affiliate marketing to monetize your video content. To do this, you must advertise goods and services in your videos and provide an affiliate link in the description of each video. You get paid when someone clicks on the link and buys something. You can market goods or services associated with your specialty. T-shirts, hats, mugs, and any other products your audience could find interesting should be included. You can advertise these goods on your channel profile and in your videos. You can provide brand offers or sponsored material. Working with brands to provide sponsored content advertising their goods or services is part of this. You can negotiate a charge for this type of work, which can be a significant source of money for certain authors. Making money on YouTube requires you to monetize your videos. Become a member of the YouTube Partner Program. Engage in affiliate marketing, sell goods or services, and provide sponsored content or brand partnerships. Using these techniques, you can monetize your material and convert your YouTube channel into a successful business. Build a loyal following. Developing a devoted audience is essential for success on YouTube. Your subscribers are the ones who will watch and interact with your material, share your videos, and support the expansion of your channel. These are some tips for creating a loyal following. Make material that your readers will enjoy first. Create movies that your visitors will find educational, interesting, and useful. Please pay attention to their input and consider their suggestions when creating your material. Interact with the people watching. Ask for criticism, reply to your video's comments, and participate in neighborhood gatherings. Doing this will establish a relationship with your readers and demonstrate respect for their viewpoints. Maintain consistency in your writing so that your audience knows when to expect new content. Post videos regularly. This will enable you to develop a devoted audience eagerly awaiting your videos. Work along with other artists in your field. This can assist you in expanding your audience and cultivating connections with other creators. You can also participate in online communities and forums relevant to your field to meet other artists and watchers. Success on YouTube requires developing a devoted audience. Provide valuable content, interact with your audience, maintain consistency, and work with other artists. These pointers can help you develop a devoted fan base that will encourage you and expand your channel. Making money with ChatGPT on YouTube is possible, but it requires hard work, dedication, and patience. Choose a profitable niche, create high-quality videos, optimize your videos for search, monetize your videos, and build a loyal following. You can earn $5,000 or more monthly from your YouTube channel with the right strategies. That's all for today. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you want to know more about how to make money with ChatGPT, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.